that plywood into the wheelbarrow?
We're hoping it goes this way. We're hoping, but I don't think so. I think it's going straight down.
Good thing it's only 5 yards. A little over 4 coming in here.
Really?
Yeah, we're filling in there too anyway.
It's almost ready.
So whatever,
Yeah, we can let
whatever
some
get
go
in
in
there, and then the
there.
rest I'll just pull off
And we'll figure it out.
That shovel. Actually, it's a real problem. All you have to do is just wheel it from there.
We wheel it from there all the way around. It'll get forever.
You know what? I go get my wheeler or any vehicle, and we hook it up to that dump truck. It's going to charge a lot faster than that charger. I charge that.
Move it? Move the truck?
Yeah, I mean, his voltage is down. That's why he can't move. That doesn't make sense. So the truck's running. The only thing that you really need to run off electricity is fuel injection, but diesels aren't fuel injection. So I don't understand why low voltage is stopping him from moving. I don't know.
This truck might just be stuck here for a while.
Got a lot ornament.
Yeah.
A very big
I need some
one.
scrap steel anyway.
Yeah. You're not kidding. You really could be stuck there.
I know.
If his alternator's down, that battery being charging, it'll last. You can charge that battery out. How long is that going to get him?
Yeah.
Especially, that's not even a 24-volt system like most heavy machinery. That's 36 volts. He's got 3 batteries. So, I mean, it's not voltage that really matters. It's the amperage right now. I mean, I have another charger somewhere. I don't think this one will do it.
It's going to come straight down.
Yeah.
I know.
This is a trick. I have another charger.
I think that should be at the end of there.
What, the wheeler?
It's going to come down this.
I could take that apart.
If you put something here to deflect it this way, that would be amazing. If we had something right here to block it to go that way.
Yeah, screw it right
Actually,
down to this.
no, that's not even, you don't have to even do that. All you have to do is stand that plywood up, block the oil tank, run that low, run it this far over, and have the wheelbarrow, just dump it to a wheelbarrow, right like this. And then back it up.
That'd be a lot easier, Michael. Why don't we just put it this plywood this way?
If you take the plywood, block the oil tank, don't get messy. Because it's come out slow and easy.
That's the point of why it is there, Jim.
But it's going to come right into the wheelbarrow instead of on there.
That's okay. Jim was bugging me about needing a wheelbarrow of concrete anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
See, it's his fault. Like I said, it's his fault. I'm joking, but it's his fault. He wanted a wheelbarrow, then we're going to wheelbarrow.
Oh, you can actually, I see what you're doing. You want to run that off there instead of just like that way.
You know, I don't know.
Are these iPhones or anything? That's probably all we need is spots.
You think so?
Grab that wood right there. Grab that wood right
That's
there.
already protected, Jim.
No, the wood on the bottom.
I know, it's already. Okay.
I put it right at the end of it except for an old dish.
How about some ancient skis?
Need something else too on the wall.
That's okay.
And your charger or whatever that thing is.
Okay, I need these ready. What do you want to do? Ready?
There we go. Block it off. There we go. There you go. There we go. There. Better.
That's going to fold as soon as it...
Oh shit, yeah. Never mind. That's gonna die.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Like I said, we'll just...
Yeah.
Nice and easy, okay?
Yeah, you gotta go right.
Nice and easy, so really good.
We're screwed this time.
Yeah.
Take the paper. Put it wherever. It doesn't matter.
Do I get a discount on that?
Should.
See, we have to look for the awful things that can happen in the world. I told you it wasn't really freaking simple.
A few minutes?
You do whatever you need to do, man.
Yeah, and just let you know, because it's still a wheelbarrow, we can hold it in.
I'm just holding your shoulder. I figured that.
We're gonna get it.
Yeah.
This is why I'm in old clothes. Oh my god. Do you want a flat shovel?
Try that.
You might want to find them at home. There it goes, Michael. Tell me this is gonna work.
Perfect.
What do you? Oh, you got my nice shovel?
What?
See you guys?
Yeah, we're ready.
Oh yeah, you said you wanted to be covered in concrete. Yeah,
I told you.
I'll throw a shovel at you.
Hey, Mike. Hey, Mike, how do you like that consistency?
It's pretty good.
It's good right
Maybe.
now. It's good. All the way over.
I like it.
Oh, we're not going today. That's right. It's in the wheelbarrow.
Let me know if they want me back off, Mike.
You're good.
Get that wheelbarrow.
You gonna hit that? All right.
Yeah, we don't want to get too close. It's going to take a lot of us moving. Next wheelbarrow. Michael, do you want some in there? In that hole? Because we're getting overcrowded right
You
here.
can throw it wherever you want.
Alright, throw that in
If
there.
you see plastic, I'm getting concrete.
How you doing, Michael?
Good.
You going same page?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm going and give you a Michael, so you can make it a little wetter if you like.
Good.
All right, look, it's good.
I'm getting distracted.
Very nice, very nice. Oh, it wasn't a drink.
Yeah, you grab a hole. There's right here. Right against that plywood wall. Next to the shovel.
Okay, Mike?
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need one more. Oh, you want this one?
Well, I can use the spade if you want a flat shovel.
I gave him my spade.
I know, I said I can use the spade if you want to use the flat shovel.
One here. Right here. Here you go. Take one.
Drop it.
Same page, Mike?
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yeah. Oh, you can stay hold or go out and do what you
You
want.
see me on the floor, you probably want
Hey,
to.
if you're on the floor, we'll bury you.
That's okay. Don't stop.
We'll put you out of your misery, we'll bury you.
Bury me anytime, please. I think that's it over
Look at that. Someone said this was going to be hard to do.
here. What? Oh, hey. That actually worked pretty good, huh?
Think about it. guess you guys did fill that one.
It's full.
Right.
Hey, Jim. All set?
Well, thanks. Keep it coming.
There you go, Matt, wherever you want to put that. What me and my dumb idea? Let's put a board there to fill the wheelbarrow back.
That was a good idea. Parking.
I know.
Well, the cat's in here.
Then you go outside to go potty. Now she chooses to go inside to go potty.
Yeah, right? I'll take this one, yes.
Yeah, she's in down.
I know. I didn't want to be wheelbarrowing on this floor. Yeah.
Good. Hold on for a second.
It's more dangerous than outside for the cat right now.
Yeah, a little bit.
You're gonna get stuck in the cement here.
All right, Jim.
Send it.
I got it.
Do we lower the chute or do we want it higher?
Jim, if you lowered it a little bit, it wouldn't splash so much.
What's that?
If he lowers his chute a little bit, it ain't gonna splash so much.
Hey, can you lower the chute a little bit? I don't know if you can lower the chute. You go a little bit.
Any little bit would help.
Oh.
Even if it's at what? Even if it goes faster, it's just. Yeah. What he's thinking is gonna go faster?
Yeah, but it's going in everybody's his eyes.
Oh.
Going down.
See, the reason I didn't want to wet it.
Yeah, how's that?
Well, you don't want it like that. You're not gonna.
George, you want to hold that?
Better, better.
Yeah. Even if it's going faster, I'll just.
I mean, even if you
just
hold
get
your
the-
shovel there, it probably splashed over.
Let's get the wheelbarrow closer to you because you're just gonna feel quick.
I got a wheelbarrow right here.
I know, but you're gonna have to replace it really quick.
It's right there.
How we doing?
I don't even have room for another one down here. We're good.
Good.
Send it.
Okay, we'll do something.
I thought someone already sent that. I didn't even need it for the long.
A little bit.
Is that helping or not? Let's get in there. Probably a couple more strips from you. Dad, call that good?
Hold on, Jim.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll see you right there. You having fun yet, Matt?
Oh, the ball. Tell me when's that.
It's not breaking them. I can yell at you guys. No, why would we want more of them?
Just stand in front of it, Mike.
Wait, who's the boss?
Good, Jim.
Bender!
Hold on, Jim. Hold on.
Craig, go over!
Did you just go over?
Almost! Almost Titanic!
It wouldn't do bad. It wouldn't be that bad today, but
Oh, it's
You want that vibrate on there?
yeah, I'll stop right away.
Yes, as long as you have it on 2 points with new concrete, you should be good. Then once you get going, it should work.
It should work.
Should work! I don't know!
Let's see how it goes, buddy.
Yeah.
No. I'm done. This is good. That's perfect. Yeah.
You can't rent one, and so good.
Okay, when you want to wet it, just say it, because it'll get dry
Yeah.
as you go.
All right.
I think you should
Keep-
wait a minute.
All right.
We got-
Yeah, hold on a minute.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, I'm
did
good.
I screw it? Should I screw it forward? Should I screw it forward to this to deflect it in the wheelbarrow? We can do that. I got 2x4. Slap it on and we can just drag it right in the wheelbarrow because we're getting kind of full over here.
Yeah, I know, we have too much for here.
You want to do that? You want to just, whatever you
Should we
think. We'll
take
just,
some of this away for a little bit?
no.
Huh?
No, I don't think so.
I know, should we start like, we gotta move this. It doesn't dry like that.
It won't dry like that. Can I bring the wheel with the... Matt, got a wheelbarrow for you?
Jesus, Mike.
I can wet that down and make it roll.
We might need a little bit.
What do you think?
Michael.
I'm good.
Michael, a little more wet? A little more?
It's up to you guys, whatever you want
I
to do.
mean,
you know?
this is really thick. It's like pasting it on the floor.
All right.
It'll sit in a little better. I'll drop it down a slump and see how you like it.
All right.